How to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now this is extremely simple because all you have to do in order to use your Uber Cash is to go ahead and check out in Uber Eats. Right after, all you have to do is to go ahead and select a payment method. From there, you can go ahead and see things like cash, your local bank, and at the option right there, you can then go ahead and see the Uber Cash option. You want to go ahead and choose that specific option in order to use your Uber Cash. And from there, you should be good to go. So guys, unfortunately, I cannot go ahead and show you because I don't have the Uber application on my region, but you can just go ahead and select the payment method for Uber Cash. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.